Schlesinger argued that the multiculturalists were making things worse by not promoting commonality. The multiculturalists countered that the solution was to respect different cultural traditions. Robert Putnam, a Harvard political scientist famous for his analysis of how and when Americans bond with each other, addressed the issue in a 2006 lecture he titled E Pluribus Unum, Diversity and Community in the 21st Century. Noting the increased ethnic diversity in the United States and other advanced countries due to rising immigration, Putnam said the consequences in the short run was reduced social solidarity. New evidence from the U.S., he wrote, suggests that in ethnically diverse neighborhoods, residents of all races tend to hunker down. Trust even of one's own race is lower, altruism and community cooperation rarer, friends fewer. But this was only a short-term phenomenon. In the long run, he said, successful immigration societies have overcome such fragmentation by creating new, cross-cutting forms of solidarity and more encompassing identities. Social behavior in this vein featured what he called bridging interactions between individuals of different cultural backgrounds, and he saw this as an area that could be supported by public policy and institutions. My hunch, he said, is that at the end we shall see the challenge is best met not by making them like us, but rather by creating a new, more capacious sense of we.